We love to talk about the beginning of the universe. We have so many questions about it. But there's another question, another subject, equally as interesting. If the universe has a beginning, and I'm not saying it does, but let's suppose, then will it have an end? If the universe is anything like what's in it, then surely it must have an end. Because everything ends, and it's always sad. But usually, endings come with a chance, new beginnings. Someday, long after humans will have disappeared, the universe will know its final day, the closing chapter for everything that ever was. Why must the universe end? There are many reasons. There is one quite fundamental. It's actually taught to us when we are kids, but we never stop to think about what it really means. The famous Lavoisier principle about matter. Nothing is created, nothing is lost, everything transforms. This principle applies to the universe at a bigger scale. All the matter around us was formed and created, if you want to use that word, at the beginning of the universe. And it's been only changing, combining to form new atoms, new molecules, but fundamentally it is the same matter. There has never been any new matter in the universe from its beginning. Hydrogen atoms were the first to be formed, and those atoms later on fused together, forming stars. Those stars became the cooks, the engineers of the universe. They formed all the other matter, all the other atoms, which means that there's a fine amount of matter available in the universe. And one day, all the hydrogen will be consumed, and there's no way of producing new hydrogen. So there will be no more stars, no new ones at first. And then all the existing stars will consume their fuel and their hydrogen. They go on to fuse other elements, heavier ones, until it's no longer possible. That's when they die, if we can use that word. Some explode, some implode, but they can no longer exist in that form. Most stars will take the planets around them in their depths. So one day the universe will be drowned into darkness. No more stars, no more light. Any existing life will no longer be, if there was any beginning. In this new universe, only the strong shall survive. This is the beginning of the era of the black holes. But even they won't last forever. It was proven that even them radiate energy, so they lose energy. It will take a long time. This will represent the longest phase of the universe, but even black holes will decay. What it would look like, I have no idea. But even them end. The universe made a void. In the end, it's not so much different than the death of a human. It's just bigger. A giant corpse. The death of the universe.